This is a video setup guide to go through the contents and the process of the remote running form analysis. So the Type S Sensor Kit Pro unit comes with your Type S main unit, 5 sensors, 2 sensor clips, sensor adhesives, KT tape, your charging cables, a multi-sport adapter and a waist belt, as well as your charging cube. So you'll want to turn on your Type S and open up the Leomo app. And then you'll want to make sure that your sensors are paired and all the corresponding colors are matching with the sensors. If your sensors aren't pairing, you can try 2 troubleshooting techniques. First, you can slide the sensor in and out of the charger. Or you can reset the sensor by taking a small pin and pressing it in the small hole on the back of the sensor.
To fasten the sensor clips into your shoes, start by loosening the laces of your shoes. And slide the sensor clip into the first set of laces and loop them over the tab on the top of the clip. Then slide the next set of laces into the clip. Tighten your shoes to make sure that the clip is snug and centered in the middle of your shoe. Once your laces are snug, you're ready to go.
To place the sensors on your shoes, you want to affix the shoe clips to the laces of your shoes, then slide the appropriate sensor into the clip with the LED light portion pointing towards your toes. To place the thigh sensors, stick each sensor to a piece of double-sided adhesive and then stick it to your thigh about 4 inches up from your knee. And secure each sensor with a piece of KT tape. We recommend wearing running tights or half tights for added sensor stability, and make sure you have the sensors placed in the same place in subsequent tests. And you'll want the LED facing up and the Leomo logo facing down. The last sensor to place is your pelvic sensor, which should be located on your sacrum in the center of your lower back. Now you're ready to start your running test. Go into the Leomo app, make sure it's in run mode, and make sure all of your sensors are paired. Then start the Type S recording by pushing the Start/Stop button. And then follow the instructions in your email. Secure the screen lock feature by pressing and holding the lock button for 2 seconds. Before you begin your test, you can secure your Type S to the multi-sport adapter on the waist belt. Or you can stick it in your pocket or hold it in your hand. At the conclusion of your run test, you can unlock the screen by pressing the lab button for 2 seconds. Then push the start stop button once to complete the session, and push the finish button. And click save. After that, go into the activity log, and you can upload your test. Once your data file is uploaded, please email Leomo to confirm that your test is complete.